Welcome back to Codex. In the last episode, I shared my ideas of a Hangman horror game, and today we are going to bring it to life. But before that, I want to give credit to this comment. So I'm going to be adding their idea of different game modes to my game, and I want to hear from you guys on what else I should add to my games or other games I'm making. I would love to hear your ideas. Now, let's get to bringing this scary game to life. To start up the new Unity project, I immediately changed my preferences like I do with all my Unity projects, and I added a ground. Well, it won't stay there for long. It's going to be very temporary till we make the room where the game happens. But I don't want the player to be a capsule like they do in Bowling Simulator. So I'm just going to make the player an empty object and just create the camera onto it so that they can't have any way to move and can just look around. This code was new for me because I have never made something that wasn't a character controller. The character controller I use in my bowling alley simulator is pretty much what I've always used whenever I've tried to make games. I've never done something where it's just the head looking around, so trying to figure this out was a little tricky, but I eventually got there, and I think it actually works pretty well. As you can see, my head moves around, and if I touch my W, A, S, and D keys, I don't move around at all. So now I'm going to start working on the letter guessing system. This system wasn't too hard to make. I mean, it was decently challenging, but it'll probably get harder once I add the UI. But for now, I just want to make it so that when I hit a letter, it locks the letter until I reset the letters, so that you can't just use the same letter twice. And I made it so that just for purposes of me testing the game, I can see the letter I chose in the console. But until then, that's pretty much all I have for the letter guessing system. Testing it, as you can see, my head moves around, and if I hit a letter, then it locks that letter and I can choose a different one. But if I try and hit the same letter, then it'll tell me it's locked and not let me use it. That's all for this video. Please let me know if you have any ideas you think I should add to my game, or what other games you want to see me make, or other video ideas you want to see me do. Please like and subscribe, and let me know your word or sentence ideas that I can add to this game, because I want pretty much all the sentences and words to be from you guys to give it that community aspect. Alright, that's it. Codex out.